Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm giving you a full CPA grip tutorial for beginners 2025 edition, including how to set up your account, find offers, and get free traffic. If you want to earn passive income with CPA marketing, this video is for you. Let's get into it. CPAGrip is a CPA or cost per action network where you get paid when someone completes an action like submitting an email, downloading an app, or filling out a form. You don't need to sell anything. That's why CPA is great for beginners. Now, go to cpagrip.com and click on register button from upper right corner. Then fill out your information. Choose publisher type, GPT or website content. Add your website or first of all, enter your first and last name, your company name, your country, region, phone number, IM service name, email address, password, a strong password. Then choose time zone. Then check this box and click register now. Then choose publisher type, GPT or website content. Add your website or social platform. Even if it's a YouTube or TikTok link, use a professional tone, no fake details. Once approved, log into your dashboard and you are ready to go. Go to offer tools from my offers, then my offers tab. Here you will find tons of offers filtered by country like US, UK, etc. Payout, look for $1 to $3 offers. Category, email, submits or mobile installs are easiest. Choose an offer like win a $500 Amazon gift card, get free V-Bucks, copy your tracking link. This is how you will get paid. To avoid getting blocked on social platforms, use a free landing page. You can build one using like Google site, Linktree, make it simple, and headline, claim your $500 gift card, add a button that links to your CPA offer. This makes your funnel more trustworthy and increases conversions. Now let's drive free traffic to your link. Use TikTok or YouTube Shorts to post short viral videos. Step, download free videos from Pexels or TikTok Creative Center. Go to pexels.com. Then search for your video niche in the search bar. Now add text like get free gift cards or how I made $200 per day. Add your landing page link in bio or pinned comment. You don't need to show your face, use screen recording or AI voiceovers. Post 3 to 5 videos a day and stay consistent. The traffic builds over time. Want more free traffic? Try this. Facebook groups, join giveaway, or niche groups, and share your landing page. Quora, answer questions and leave your link in your bio. Pinterest, create pins linking to your landing page. And finally, Instagram, Reels, repost your shorts or TikToks for more views. Stay consistent and focus on one platform first for the best results. Check your earnings in the Statistics tab inside CPAGrip. You will see clicks, leads, earnings per offer. Once you see what's working, scale it up. Post more videos, try new offers, build email lists using submit offers. The goal is to build repeatable daily traffic. And that's it. You have now got everything you need to start CPA marketing with CPA using free traffic in 2025. Bonus tip, use tools like bit.ly or Linktree to shorten and track your links to for better click data. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below what part you want me to go deeper on next. Maybe a full landing page build, offer a build, or traffic hacks. Thanks for watching and good luck with your CPA journey. And I will see you in the next video.